We all like to have the ability to move our muscles, joints, and the like with the use of our nervous system, which consists of our brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The brain being arguably one of the most important organs in the entire system. Without it, we wouldn't be able to send signals to our other system to function and keep the host, i.e., us, alive. The entire nervous system is split into two parts: the central and the peripheral. The central consists of the brain and spinal cord, while the peripheral has more aspects to it, consisting of motor and sensory neurons. They both have important functions, but the motor holds both voluntary and somatic nervous system, and the involuntary or automatic nervous system, autonomic. And the voluntary actions can be the writer, director, and illustrator of this hopefully informative video, as an example. The involuntary actions consist of blinking, breathing, and reacting to a threat. The entire nervous system works the way it does is because of what we call nerve cells. Nerve cells function off of neurons, which conduct the impulses. Their nerve cells consist of a nerve body, dendritic attachments, the axon, end plates, and terminal branches. Within the axon is the Schwann cell, myelin sheath, and node of Ravier. To understand what fully happens within the structure, we have to look closer at the node of Ravier. The process of depolarization begins at this. Depolarization is the process of diffusion of the Na or sodium ions and potassium ions or K+. This causes a charge change. The diffusion and movement of these ions are very important to the entire process of action potential. In membrane potential, it takes about -70 to -50 millivolts, which is when the sodium gates open, and at the point of +40 to -70 is when they go to close, and in turn the potassium channels open. When the potassium channels are closing, though, there's a time called the refractory period, which is a recovery period needed for the ions and entire works to just get back and make another action potential. This happens between -70 to -75 millivolts.